Sairam students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn Geography, 4th chapter, Weather and Climate, Part 1. But before, let's take a short recap of the 3rd chapter. We have learned comparing a globe and a map, field visits. In it, we have learned two-dimensional object, three-dimensional object, maps, a globe, a field visit. Then we have even seen Earth. And today we are going to start our 4th chapter, Weather and Climate. Students, we all always experience atmospheric condition prevailing at a place and at a given time. We often talk about it too, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. For example, we say weather is hot today, we say weather is cold, weather is dry, or even we say weather is sultry. Students, even you have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. The scientist observes the weather in a region for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather climates, the average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate of that region. For example, we say cool and dry climate or hot and humid climate or hot and dry climate. Now, today we are going to see, can you tell, the weather conditions of a few places in India are as follows. On 10th June, we are going to use this table. Use the table to answer the questions. Now let's see the table first. The first column is the serial numbers given. The second column is place, then state, third column, fourth column is time, fifth is weather. So the first is given, the place is Kochi. Kochi state is Kerala. Time is given 12:30 p.m. and weather is cloudy here. Second is given Bhopal, MP state, 12:30 p.m. Time is given and weather is given hot and sunny. Third, Mussoorie state is Uttarakhand, 12:30 p.m. Cold weather and mild sun. Now just observe the table here. Students, you can see the time given here is the same, 12:30 p.m. Students, you can see the weather condition at the each of the places given above are different. On 10th June, Kochi has cloudy weather. It means here it is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season, as now the rainy season has started. Now the next is Bhopal. Now at Bhopal there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. And the next is Mussoorie. Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air there is cool too, due to its location on a mountain. Clothes take a longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, this conditions keeps on changing. We always experience such changes in our day-to-day life. Next question. Will the atmospheric conditions at these places always remain the same or will they change? Yes, students? Yes, they will change. This is the second. Can you tell? We are going to see now. Which of the following statements are applicable to the conditions that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? Just observe this picture. What those two boys are doing? They have lit the fire and trying to warm themselves. So now we are going to see the conditions what is given. It was cold in the morning, then in the afternoon it became salty. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn. Clouds gathered in the evening. The night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. Now students, which of this condition you have observed? Yes, so that is known as weather. What is weather? Weather means short-lived atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time is called weather. For example, we say the weather is hot, cool, dry or salty, etc. Now the third, can you tell? Students, since childhood, you have experienced summers, rainy seasons and winters. On the basis of your experience, answer the following questions. First question, in which months do summer, the rainy season and winter occurs in a year from January to December? Now you have to show it in a chart. See, in the following month, the summer, the rainy season and winter occur in a year from January to December. Just observe the table. See, the serial numbers are given in the first column. Second is the season and the month. And the first serial number, it's summer season and the months are given February, March, April, May. So our summer season lies in February, March, April and May. Second is the rainy season. So when the rainy season appears in June, July, August, September. Third is the winter. Then the months for the winter season is October, November, December, January. Yes, students. The second question. Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? Yes, we use special clothes like raincoat, jackets, etc. if it is raining. As we have any emergency or any important work and we need to go out of our houses, what we do, and if it is raining outside, we use raincoats or jackets. Next question. When do we use woolen clothes? Yes, when we use woolen clothes. Yes, children. Any guesses? Yes, we use woolen clothes in the season as the climate is very cold over there. We use woolen clothes in winter season. Now the next fourth question. In which season do we mainly use thin cotton cloths? Yes, any guesses, students? We use thin cotton cloths in summer season as we need air in those season. It's very hot climate is there and we should wear airy clothes so that our skin can breathe. So the answer is we mainly use thin cotton cloths in summer season. Next. So the climate, the average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is called climate of that region. What is a climate? The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is called climate of that region. For example, climate is generally expressed as cool and dry or hot and humid or hot and dry, etc. Yes, students, now we are going to see the difference between weather and climate. The first point in weather is weather is described on the basis of the conditions prevailing at the given time. Now, prevailing means existing or most common at a particular time. And climate is described on the basis of conditions prevailing over a longer period of time. Means climate is not changed frequently. It changes after a long period. Means after 2 months, 3 months the climate changes. And weather changes frequently. Means morning if the weather is different, in the afternoon it will be different, in the evening it will be different. Second point, weather keeps on changing frequently and we can experience changes in the weather easily. Yes, we can notice it or we can realize it very easily. But in the climate, changes in the climate takes place over a longer period. These changes are not perceived so easily. Perceived means realized or noticed. Means we cannot notice it easily because it has a longer period. Means for 3 months, 4 months we have the same season. So we cannot perceive it so easily. So what we have learned today is weather and climate. Now we are going to do a small activity. Just pay attention, students. Question 1. Select the correct answer. First one, what type of climate is observed in Mumbai? 3 options are given. Cold, dry, humid. Yes. Any guesses? Can anyone guess what climate we observe in Mumbai? Yes, the answer is humid climate. Next, second one. In which month do we mainly use raincoat? Yes, those are the options. In which month do we mainly use raincoats? Yes, March, August, November. What are your guesses? Come on. Yes, August. Next activity we are going to do is who am I? So the first is I keep on changing. Yes, guessed students, who keeps on changing? And the answer will be weather. Yes, weather keeps on changing. Yes, for the weather, what we have seen the definition, it was short-lived atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time is weather. So, it keeps on changing. The next one, who am I? I am not the same at all places. Yes, students, what will be the answer here? I am not the same at all places. Yes, climate. Very good. Climate. What was the definition for climate? Yes, the average weather conditions of a place observed over a long period of time is climate of that region. Yes. Did you understand? So that's all for today. Sai Ram. Thank you.